Friends, do you know how to make walnut and coconut laddu in just 5 minutes? Let's begin. It is very easy and we need only 3 ingredients. We will need half cup of walnuts, 1 cup of coconut powder and small tin of condensed milk. First add coconut powder, half cup of walnuts pieces, and condensed milk as required. Now we will mix it properly. Add some more condensed milk, it is very dry. Now friends, our mixture is ready. Keep in refrigerator for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mixture will become hard. I have greased my hands and now I will make laddoos out of it. See friends, now our coconut laddoos are ready. I will sprinkle coconut powder on it. Our coconut walnut laddoos are ready to eat. Let me try. So tasty, delicious. So friends, in 5 minutes we made this laddu. You also try at home. See you in my next video.